Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I'm really tired of these overhyped channels right there, and I've decided to make non-BS titles right there. Okay, so enjoy the parts and enjoy the price prediction that we are going to make. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see for GMT. Yesterday we talked about a crash and it happened. Okay, right now, what is the next price target that we have? Where are we going in the short and on mid term as well? In case you do not know how to draw a GAN fan, then I have the link, I have the video actually right at the top right of your screen. Okay, so you can check it out, you can go in there and you will learn how to properly draw a GAN fan tool without locking the bar to chart ratio, without drawing the 45-degree angle, which is just wrong. Okay, it is wrong. So right now let's go to the price prediction and the price analysis. You can see that the 8-1 line collides perfectly with these two bottoms right here. This is the last support level before we go down. Okay, eventually right now what do we have is we have the 8-1 line that sits at 2.26 and it keeps moving higher. If you check it out, it is different if we go there on 6 May, it is different if we go there on 2.31. I have my birthday as well, so I want you to tell me happy birthday in the comment section down below and let's go. No, I'm not even trying to take all the attention to me, not at all. Anyway, 2.26, 2.31 right here, you can see it is the last support level that we will eventually have, closing below the 4-1 line, which is the 2.50. Okay, 2.51 around there, because if we do not close above, if we do not close, sorry, below, then we can go into the next price targets. 2.26, the most important support level. But as I'm seeing GMT, I have to tell you something. It is going to go down further than the 2.10 in the next days, into the next weeks. I'm going to explain why. Let's go to GMT against Bitcoin chart. Here we had an ascending triangle back then. You remember that we made the video and we talked about ascending triangle. Probably we go and break above. We went to break above. Now we are going back down to where we were. 0.406033 is going to be the next support levels over the next few days, not by the time that I upload the video. Okay, over the next few days we are going to see lower lows and lower highs. If we check the 4-hour frame again, it isn't looking good, despite the fact that we are having a very huge oversold situation, that we might be getting a spike a little bit sooner on the 4-hour frame. For example, if I went to go to the more short-term analysis in the next few hours, I would say that we would stop around the point 306444, sorry, 40 6444, and then we are going to have a nice pump. Okay, if you want to trade Bitcoin pairs, then we are going to have a nice pump around there, not as much as I've just used. I will tell you where we can go. For example, for me personally, this next resistance level should be around this area of 0.406980. But in overall, as you will know and as you will see by the price action of GMT, we are going to go further down, and you should be extremely careful on the daily frame as well. 0.406033 will be the case, and even lower. We might be in a momentum of having a massive correction over the next days. And let's go back to GMT against USDT chart. So 2.26 and above is the next support line, the last one before we go further down from the two USDT. On another note, I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement, this time from the bottom to the top, to find major support levels. You can see that on the daily frame we have to close above the lines that we talked about. 2.50 we talked about before, 2.47 around there. If we close above, then for the short term we are probably fine. Okay, we might be having a little bit of a buying pressure, but in overall, I will guarantee you that into the next weeks, GMT is going below 2 USDT. I will repeat that. In the next weeks, GMT will go below 2 USDT. That means we are going to drop down into the 1.5 and so on. So this was the top for the next weeks to come. Do not expect something fabulous out of TMT. We are going to have buying pressures because the market cannot keep going down forever, but at the end of the day, what we are going to see from TMT is something like this pattern right here, where we have lower lows and lower highs, leading to 1.5, where we might be having a nice buying pressure around here. Do not expect something great. I think that the correction for GMT will keep going. Unfortunately, this is the case. You have to know that, and knowing the truth is better than having a false hype over the altcoin. Okay, do not believe people that are telling you right now GMT is going up to the moon. It is not. I have seen that multiple times from Phantom, from other altcoins, from Matic. They were saying that Matic is going to 10 USDT, Phantom is going to 50 and 60 and 100 and then 200, 1000 USDT even. It is all wrong. Do not follow these overhyped channels. Please stay rational. Please know that the markets cannot keep going up forever. GMT had a great momentum, but now it is the time to consolidate, just like every market is doing. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.